Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm actually making another Vlogmas video. So proud of myself, 3 for 3 right now, even though I was 16 days late to the game. Whatever. Today's Vlogmas is about my Ipsy bag. It just came last night, well yesterday, but I got it last night when I got home. So I can't wait to show you guys what's inside. I don't know why I did that. Okay, let's just jump right in here. My first thoughts on this bag: I love how shiny and pretty it is. It's great. And it's just a silver bag, so it's perfect for the holidays. I know I got a lot of good stuff today. I'll go ahead and I'll tell you. One of the new things about Ipsy is you can choose a product before they like tell you what's in there. I mean, they tell you what's in there ahead of time, but now you can choose a product before that. I can tell you the product I chose was a red lipstick, so I can't wait to show you guys. But looking through my little list, I noticed I have almost everything I need to try to do like a full face of makeup. So I'm gonna use a combination of my products and the Ipsy products I got today to get ready. So it's kind of like an Ipsy unboxing video and a get ready with me. Pretty exciting. Alright, the H2O Plus Oasis Hydrating Treatment. It's the season for seriously skin quenching formulas, and this moisture-packed treatment from thirsty skin experts H2O Plus is proven to double your skin's hydration levels for up to 24 hours. That's got me sold right there. So let's put this baby on our face, if I can get it open. Oh, it's blue! So the first product I'm going to be using is this H2O Plus Oasis Hydrating Treatment. Blech. All right, so here, I'll squeeze some on my hand for you. So as you can see, it looks like toothpaste, honestly. So I'm very interested in seeing how this will work. Ooh, I like the feel of this a lot. And the smell is nice. It's just like a nice clean smell to it. I can tell. I feel like this is really gonna work. I'm really excited about this. I used to not really care about skincare, but it makes a huge difference when you take good care of your skin. So I really appreciate products like this. Getting able to try them out, you know? I guess that's what I'm paying for though, so I'll let this set in for a second. They have a nice, useful little tip about skincare, which is the order in which you apply skincare matters. Use this moisturizer after cleansing, toning, and applying your serum to make the most of its hydrating, skin plumping benefits. I'm not gonna lie, I already put on a layer of moisturizer, but I don't think it's gonna hurt to put on another layer. It's gonna hurt to put on another layer though. I guess we're gonna find out. The next step on my list is a primer. And today I'm going to be using the POREfessional Pore Primer. I've heard a lot of good things about this, so I'm looking forward to trying it out. Although I am a little disappointed in like the sample size. It's not very big. I swear these samples keep getting smaller and smaller. Like this is 10 milliliters and this is 3. Way to be cheap. Benefit. And I know this, it said only put it on your T-zone, but I need it all over. It's probably like 2 uses for me. Maybe I'm putting on too much primer. Maybe. Okay. Ooh, it does feel, ooh, I love the smell of this though too. It feels so nice and soft. Okay. I'm starting to get the hype about this And I literally just put it on my face. Alright, now I'm going to go in with my foundation. I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills foundation stick in the shade, it's just beige. Okay. I thought it was a different color, but I'm gonna just throw this on real quick. In my eye. Alright, and now I'm going to go in with concealer. I just like to put a little under my eyes, because your girl is always tired and it shows. It's all been concealed now. Alright, now that I got my face all done, I don't know what else to do. Hold on. Now I'll be going in with my eyeshadow, the Nude Newbie by Phase 1. I'm going to be taking my crown brush that I got in one of my last Ipsy bags to apply it. I didn't use any eyeshadow primer today, mostly just because I took the excess of my concealer from under my eyes and I put it on top. And I'm gonna say that's probably enough. This is definitely a nice nude color. Oh, but you know what? I don't hate this. It's subtle, but it adds like a nice little shine. So I figured I'd give you a little bit more of a close-up of the eyeshadow, because it is just a nice light nude color. I have to say, one of the other cool things I thought about this is because of the color it is and the shade, it's a nude color, you can also wear it as a highlight too. I'm not going to do that today because I'm already wearing it as an eyeshadow. Wow, I totally forgot to mention I did my eyeliner off camera. Sorry guys. Now I'm going to be going in with some highlight. I'm using my Ofra and Madison Miller highlighter in Sea Shimmer. I got this in one of my last Ipsy bags, probably like 2 or 3 ago. I actually really like this highlighter. And I found a good like knockoff for this is what is that one that I have? Hold on, I have to go get it for you real quick. Alright, I found my good dupe. It's the Maybelline Master Chrome. It's I didn't get the color I have isn't exactly the same, but I feel like it's just as easy to apply and it looks just as good. I've definitely compared the two. I got the Maybelline one before I got this, so. Okay, we've got some highlight on. Now I'm going to go in, sorry, I got distracted by the package, with my Tarte Amazonian Clay Bronzer. It's in Park Princess, I don't know. Oh, Park Ave Princess, that makes way more sense, jeez. This is a small, like, these Ipsy samples this time around are really small, I feel like. Normally I'm like, oh my gosh, it's great, but not this time. Sorry, Ipsy, you've disappointed me, but I've liked the product so far, so not completely. Got my bronzer on. Bleh. Now I'm gonna go in with my Gigi Gorgeous blush. I also got this in my Ipsy bag. I think it was last month's, maybe the month before, I don't know. And then I'm just going to, that would have been too much. nail. Alright. I'm just gonna touch that up with the buffing. I have to say, this is a really nice brush for when you over apply, which I typically do. It's my handy dandy buffing brush. Now it's time to curl down lashes, get them ready for mascara. Cause yes, I'm one of those weirdos that curls their eyelashes still. They're so short, I can't afford not to. Alright guys, I got my mascara on. So now it's time to use the final product that came in my Ipsy bag. It's this lipstick. Sorry, I got distracted. It is this lipstick by Tour Cream Belle and Argent. I don't know if I said any of that right. I really don't think I did. But the color is Click Your Heels. Cannot open it. There we go. Ooh, it's a square. Look at that. It matches the Ipsy bag perfectly. And, oh, it's a nice red color. I'm super excited for this. Like, get on my lips. Okay. All right. Ooh, I love this red. It's definitely red. It's bold and I love it. Oof. Yes, I am definitely obsessed with this red lipstick. I will definitely be looking into this company and buying more from them. Please take my money, please. Yeah, you probably do want to get like a lip liner. I would suggest that with any red lipstick though, but I'm like mind blown. I am obsessed with this red lipstick. I do have to say my overall opinion on this, oh sorry, I said opinion and in my head it sounded like Miranda sings and I was like, no. Yeah, I do have to say my overall opinion of my Ipsy bag this month is I do really like the products, but I am disappointed in the size of a lot of the samples. They're a lot smaller than I feel like we've gotten in the past, but I can't complain. They've been good testers and I've got a couple more tries left in them, so. Alright guys, thanks for watching my video again today. My day 3 of Vlogmas. But I know it's like really day 18, so. Hey, better late than never though, right? Alright guys, have a good rest of your day. Don't forget to hit subscribe. And thanks for watching. Bye. Bloopers. Alright. Do I like it with the lighting like this? I think I should keep the lighting like this. That's kind of dark. We'll try it. So the first product I'm going to be using is this H2O Plus Oasis Hydrating Treatment. Blech. It's the H2O Oasis Hydrating Treatment. It's during party season. Oh no, wrong thing. I'm gonna go ahead and throw on my foundation real quick. Now that I got my primer all on, I'm using today the Anastasia, but that's why I say that. I don't know why I just wiped my nose when I did that. Okay, and hold on. And what? so dumb because I have the brush right here. More bloopers. Now I got highlight on. I'm not gonna use my brush yet. Hold on. Alright, we got some. Okay. I don't know where I was going with that. Sorry, guys.